case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a Delaware court battle that garnered attention, Resource Development Company, a Delaware limited liability company, was embroiled in an internal feud. The issue surrounded whether there were legal grounds to strip a member of their equity interest due to allegations of improper compensation arrangements, breaches of trust, and failure to provide financing. It all started when the defendants, fellow members of the company, sought to remove Randolph T. Walker, a cousin of former President Bush, from his official duties and financial stake in the company. They lodged serious allegations against Walker, accusing him of financial irresponsibility, a drinking problem, and failure to perform assigned duties, all leading to a suspicion-rooted campaign for his removal. Ironically, the actual cause of Walker's removal turned out not to be the accusations against him. Instead, it was due to his inability to secure financing for the company. The court ruling put a spotlight on Walker's ownership stake in the company and the decision of whether or not it could be reinstated and if damages could ensue. After careful deliberation, the court ruled in favor of Walker, the ousted member. Giving an unprecedented verdict, the court decided that the defendants lacked authority to remove Walker based on his failure to provide financing, stating that such a condition was not supported by the company's operating agreement. Contrary to the defendants' arguments, the court determined that Walker had not fraudulently induced them to enter into the operating agreement, and that his alleged failure to make capital contributions did not warrant his removal. In a turn of fortune for Walker, the court ruled that although his ownership interest wouldn't be restored and no money damages will be awarded, a portion of the property received by the defendants must be held under a constructive trust for him. The court further imposed the trust on the defendants' shares of Redico Energy and insisted on Walker paying his share of the company's accrued debt. This case served as a reminder of the checks and balances present in organizational structures and shareholder agreements, cautioning corporate bodies on the importance of adhering to established guidelines while making critical ownership decisions. With justice served, Walker emerged victorious out of the hotly contested lawsuit, marking a significant chapter in the annals of corporate law.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.